Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can change the position of the default toast in Android. So instead of always showing it at the bottom, we can show it pretty much everywhere on the screen, like right in the middle. I will put a link to the code of this example into the description box, and for this example I've already made some little preparations. I have prepared this show toast button, which when clicked calls this show toast method in our main activity. Right now this method is empty, and normally if we want to show a default toast message we call toast.maketext, we pass a context, we pass the text itself, like hello, we pass a length, toast.length short for example, and then we usually call .show to immediately show this toast message. Now this maketext method actually returns a toast object, so instead of calling show directly, we can also save this toast in a toast variable, so we write toast and we call it toast equals toast.maketext. And now instead of showing our generated toast directly, we save it in this variable here. And we can use this variable to make some changes to it. And to change the position we have to call toast.setGravity. And this method takes 3 arguments. The gravity, which is basically the general position of the toast, and 2 values for the offset, horizontal and vertical. Those are pixel values with which you can fine-tune the position. Usually you want to use the first value and pass 0 for the other 2. And for the gravity we pass a constant with gravity with capital G, dot, and here we have different constants available. If we for example want to center it vertically, we pass center vertical. We can also combine different values with a vertical bar and pass another gravity value like gravity.start to put it on the left side of the screen. Now we write comma, pass our x offset, which is the horizontal value. So if we want to position it a bit away from the left edge of the screen, we can pass for example 19. This will nudge the position to the right by 90 pixels. And let's pass 0 for the y offset, to keep it in the middle vertically. And of course we can also pass negative values here. And to show this toast message we call toast.show, as usual. And that's all we have to do, let's test it. So when we click this button our toast should be somewhere here, 90 pixels away from the edge of the screen. And there it is. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you want more into tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Take care.